Hi
Hey
guys!
Welcome to our channel, PhilAmerican
Lifestyle Curtis.
For today's video, we're gonna share with you the 4 tips how to get monetized
4 tips.
for the new beginners.
If you're not a new beginner but you have not monetized yet, you should stay with us as well, as we're going to give you 4 tips that will help you guys.
Exactly. And guys,
for those who have not subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the red button below and
don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka pag mayroon kaming bagong upload na video.
So that you can see our next upcoming video and our LSs. Alright, so should we give them the 4 tips? No, not yet. Stay with us.
We'll be right back after this.
I like that.
Hey guys, welcome back again. Guys, for today's video about the rules and regulations, the guidelines of YouTube for vloggers who started 2020. Being YouTubers, we are busy to getting some bananas, we are busy doing LSs, we are busy to make some friends, but we don't have time to read the guidelines of YouTube. So now, we are here to share with you guys the guidelines. For Tagalog viewers, we are here to explain to you. Guys, busy tayo sa ating pagpapalaki ng bananas. Busy tayo para makuha yung 1,000 subscribers. Busy tayo sa kaka-attend ng mga LSs ng ating mga friends. Pero guys, wala tayong time magbasa ng rules, guidelines, or mga regulation ni YouTube. Dito kami para sabihin sa inyo, para i-share sa inyo kung ano yun yung mga guidelines na yun na hindi natin nababasa bago tayo mag-umpisa sa ating pag-YouTube or bago tayo mag-umpisa sa ating mga channel. Akala natin ganun lang guys kadali, yung makakuha ng subscribers, makagawa ng videos, akala natin guys ganun lang kadali. Pero hindi natin guys alam or hindi minsan natin nababasa na meron palang dapat gagawin or may mga proseso pala na dapat natin sundin bago natin ma-achieve yung monetization. Based to our research or base sa aking pananaliksik, ang 4 na tips na yun is
Tip number 1 is you have to get 1,000 subscribers.
how you get 1,000 subscribers. Make some friends. Go to the LSs. You know, when you attend the LSs, guys, sometimes you can meet up some friends that came from other countries.
Yes.
And don't forget guys to watch their videos, hit the like button, it means you like the videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, it means you are interested for the next video. That's the really important thing para ma-notify ka sa next video. And now we'll move on to tip number 2. Your videos have generated 4,000 hours over the last 12 months. Tip number 3. Comply with all YouTube policy and guidelines.
The policy and guidelines. You must not have copyright material in your videos. You must not have copyright music in your videos. But you can find non-copyrighted music that is provided by YouTube. And you find that in your YouTube studio. Over to the left-hand side, you go down and you see audio, and you can go through that, select music to put on your videos.
Gumawa tayo ng sarili nating content, original content. Don't copy the content of the other vloggers, copyright music, copyright videos. Guys, be aware. Kasi guys, once na may copyright ka, matagal kang i-review talaga yan. Mahirapan ka pagdating ng review. You should make your own original content. Beware using other content. Doon ka mahihirapan pag under-review ka. Sa policy, dapat sundin lahat yun, yung mga policy na yun, yung mga guidelines na yun, para pagdating ng oras na i-review ka na, madali lang, hindi ka mahihirapan. Okay? That's that. Tip number 3. And we are here. Last tip now is tip number 4. You have an AdSense account set up.
And when we started our channel, you were able to fill out your AdSense account. In 2020, you're not able to do that until you meet the requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then, as you go under review, then they will ask you to fill out the AdSense.
Exactly. Nung nag-umpisa kami guys ng aming channel, right away, nag-fill up na kami ng Google AdSense. So, dire-diretso na guys, we're just making some videos, making some WH, getting some subscribers, and then nakakuha kami ng under review, we get monetization from YouTube. But for now, you guys need to get 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscribers, policy and guidelines. You will have received the review, and after review, you can apply, you can fill up the Google AdSense.
Yes.
That's the difference now for the 2020 beginners. We just try guys to explain as we can so that we can help your monetization.
And we will give you some further tips on our next videos coming up regarding to helping you guys achieve your goal. Until next time, stay well. And if you find these tips helpful, leave a comment below and check out our video above. Be well.